Who's propaganda?
I'm going so the obvious right. And Oba so be kebi.
Never can be.
Okay, see you can tell me so the brothers you think.
Chairman. Nano Tuesday, this end the paper. I'm sorry, I can't tell him back. Say your former chairman.
Oh, why you?
Or done some becumso. In 24 hours, she said, Yameboa, Yao die by a year 21st. And I have been in our ocean. And yet, net is a normally a season. Now, I bear no University of Ghana Botanical Gardens or special son about 8:30. The best at the phone na ni party phone na say na beba na ya Thursday na na beboa na hwehwe am bia betimi akoka makama me free a cha me mfa share say free police for dia no so na no pay mani agi bebre say odi bia wakasa wa ha agi atum say ye nuanu police for adwuma mo ye no adwuma esombo kese ba obi ani wo betimi aka say Ghana police for omunye adwuma. The Biameka said, one day the police force already said, yes, you need Juma Bium. You call strike for just even 20 minutes or maybe minimum ABC. Sanka Kwesi Kanye, Unamanajo, or Babesia, or Jinaho, or so you need Juma. Be imagine how you Juma sometimes so talk. So many even raincoat crowd, I share your Juma can I think at the point when now I was organize it. Raincoat that bomb.
Me dem here back up.
Yeah, we are in the back now the bomb.
You be 300 or 400 raincoats at the moment.
That's right. Enti ye nyina agi tum say omo adwuma no mo ye no. E adwuma ehu hia. E adwuma so a eye den. Enam say kan de omo de be adwuma no. Ampampa omo hye den ni bi. E wan hwe ni ye na wan bisabisam na call any police barracks bia na ko kasa. Obetwe say nkrofo no muti ho na omo dom hundi. Because the environment often they could do a chairman who share the pressure on the toilet facilities. If you are a proper be the big good to them, be able to know pasa. There's this perception say in Colorado do cry a train you more embarrassed no. Now I say by a bit harder. And now environment. Now say Obianim say Niauti. And I'm saying baby honest edited to a room kakra.
You can't denigrate our upbringing.
I am not. Because rightly said, Okodra, a dank ticket. I think Colano starting Nika cry. One person on the papa in my bed and then view. The majority of them have to find their own way. Until they end up joining friends and getting involved in all manner of social advices. And the idea, saying you know the son at Tia de Padia. And ya de be Kasake ne Ajao. And then Uncle Honorable Casey. Now I'm so free about my deputy minister. Now I was expecting say on be boa me na yen lament. Na ko no o kire ya na mo apraku yetu nyama edi tutu akwam say be ya improve beba. Now me can nyina no chairman I think say it is fair and proper. Say police leadership. The very very senior leadership. Yentimi enzo no retia mu enfrisa nyama nyina. Because ubedi IGP, ubedi the commissioners na ho na. San come on so much for the welfare of their men and women as a priority. Me assure San commit me mounting pressure on governments.
Now buy so in this car wedding.
Deputy Chairman. Some fun as a priority. I say governments.
Yes, but Agwenyo, don't forget say oh no abana appoint to. Oh abana appoint to how
say. Sabe ni sika. About you to create the environment, facilitate, BBMA, private sector, be a team up with them. As you rightly said.
Yeah, better.
You are not necessarily saying, I buy fancy car. Nas I bet on this car. Names sent me share police for swa. I'll make you must we can see ya. And the end of the day. Now, police need sorry and opana on this car to any school fees. Or not many a piece of mind to go age. Police need sorry and opana. Takra the besha no that I had the mana. The human no yan bet your pepper. And I come up at the aye. And saying you know, to so much man on my human is some book as a padia. And they ain't taking the next step. A crime be never faso. Say, see, I died there must creative for there. Matiatia bro. Ubetiana say a project where the man police for and a soldier for say, you can't say, Even Bema Kamkra now could draw the heart of the military be or more preoccupied. If you look at them, I don't want them. I don't case in that say recruits be away you back, but spend 1 week penal. A whole not done a permanent station now, or being in Batim. I just say, Nina and Bois. See, I see a person.
Unim Donko Fuseni.
Oh, minimum from my DC.
I'll say my brothers and I slept in the kitchen for 7 years.
So,
until my dad became an inspector in the police service and were posted to host net flats. So being a son of the policeman in the barracks and single room is hell. Donko Fuseni, son of retired Chief Inspector M.E. Donko.
It's a reality, said Sanya May Santitiana, Omufam.
Yeah.
And Oman Shedanya environment, I can mama develop ya what really they wish for. And Mestre, some people say, Shom. Now, say on a bouquet, Chama, I'm only be brave. Unsheda who said, a police for it, Najina, I can't be blue. Cameras near you, man, then I say, baby, I'll be a cameras near you, man. Only so much office or monitor. But here, dear, I hear baby say, and now drive a cranaka, ya stop it, Kabu winning. Now you want to twist the man. Ultimate country. Because she has seen on the panel and I 12 midnight. Baby, I'm even it's yes, yeah, human found. But no soon, as a chairman, Uncrophobia ni policeman almost say a human in AD. There are still a lot of badness in there, Omejumaya and Sweeney. I'm dragging the name of the entire institution to dispute. Eben here said the police service are taking steps to peg itself of all such persons. Well, I'm brought here about to you box friend said a total driver in the mates video about in Nigeria. Can one say?
Video man.
Oh, video near. No, police.
Audio no what here.
Jane, come on.
And as video man, come on.
Come on.
Total driver in the meeting.
Total driver in the meeting. That's
what I'm idea. NDC chairman audio no meeting.
I know a doctor.
Now where they get doctor?
Where they live. Hey, Ghana.
Interesting place.
Now, driver no. On a lighter note, so driver no yet train. I bet me a good boxer maga now. Oh, share the way I got no edit to me just park at it. Now for me share video na make one sem no.
Photoshop.
Na Photoshop.
That's a
Photoshop and the angel mo. Oh, Debbie ba say abu police no be a can na ya che mo enura kom court. Now say a Photoshop.
Me say work sana be ka wo.
Oh, wonderful. Banana ya no pesa. I dey bro this way na.
Me no.
What you say? Na Bibi Straki Menora, MZ Police PRO, Greater Accra, one of the stations, a friend and a bonkom. No, say, or no, when you say, a man for Jinaho.
I had a knock, sir.
I'm
David a clue.
Yeah, David a clue.
Send anyone wants a man for Jina will be a more.
Oh, be a what police, you know. A man for Jino Moshe. I drive an enemy mate now, twice and so. Under no circumstances should the citizen have that courage. Say, please, no shatter there. Maybe someone even identity now, maybe you can accept it. But so shatter there, say pampa or no a police ni. So be to action whatever the provocation. So be to action so say more bono. The certain is a video now better about me say. Ye nim ye see party. Almost yes, I dear no. Ye nim na police ni ye nim your can ye minim
but say ya take ni enti omukọ court ya take ya take ni eba enti eba ne sa
but let America pia maka
driver no park wo kwan infinity a offer passengers and also traffic when echi you know how truck drivers do it all the time enti amanfo nyina complaining mas oncho go you can ja sa de no me almost asan unfortunately and akwenhyesi
oh
who's akwenhyesi now haram otu car ní speed enti police ni na all station there no oye adwuma omoka so otutu ne samom no hwitra moto so chase no enti odu baby no cross no say on park enti parkisi former kasakasa na eja obegira oye steady a on any mate no omoto she police no so
and the last time nyede bako now BBC or 37 some time ago aye no trotro drivers for ya ko park you Legon bus stop omu back e be block almost the main road military for be somebody come on to the chairman talk as I say Ghana higher human rights
I'm sure baby kakra
but that's for near no me say it was a very good lesson for everybody can be come on to who need because the number of lives you lose to accidents in this country me sure you be or wa ejini pan kwa esanya me nyina and then most of our bus stops trotro driver do bus stop na bus stop in da okese on pack your bus stop no pack wa no ho prekope University of Ghana Ponglo Junction the same thing normal pack na bus stop na see omo inside and I'm stop a passenger enti I think say enye proper now police ni be car no etnya kukudro mo esina mo brim no the way amope I think it's fair and proper say edin be famra kwan so to serve as a deterrent they say be osun say no wa ho ni say no but once I oshe sa atade ne de just o she o man ni nyina to me and to boni nim de se fata bia e be hia say ye fam mom na I think say 3 days earlier na beto dua say police ni bi so akopo papa bi ni mami bi chama thought ya no so say mami bi kro mami no kro operation chair bia
journalist Ghanaian Times journalist
Ghana journalist ne ka onyina well ne be ma timamufo anya gidie e wo police e ba ne say no sa police ni so o yes ade no prekopena no so yakayache no
and no David the Chris Omotwe Ghanaian Times reporters na be Trump statement
you see we hear ne say because when dey ba mo dey ebo ni pay intentema makoche ne pa no just the following the more court e ba mo dey there afa na motwe for statement say e ne say na I say you are protecting your own and you ne say emboa e ma gidi
you the same that protect you for some people.
What is this? What are you doing this morning?
Abdul Malik Kwekubaku sends a simple message. It's probably in defense of Fred Agbenyo. He says, #diabolical Eugene.
Senior. I thought I was going to get your support on this one.
Oh, Sadia na koswa. What can want my man come in? Ma so here no. When you na make say please for us so me adwuma. Ama nyina anya gidi e wo mu. So mo adwuma ye dum pempe so a timamfo timia.
Mami o Satinga bill.
Oh, so we're free policeman or
and na Yakubu so.
Oh,
pa. What are you doing?
Obibusa kwa me ase.
Na me here.
Na what you worry umbo.
Chama hwe. Wa ye chairman asemi a wa sheda omoye ne si ono so guso okan wa asem bebre honorable for example for
and come with topics so why
I tell one sheda na odi piapia
am no fan call
me can go please for us na
so
for us na so Ghana o mai timu bia obie nim se sa papa no se bo share manyo asem asenye ne there is no evidence
okay be mo
say no why basa you are not so no frafras anya manida obi anim is politics
and I send the voice and then any voice and the voice
and the voice na abanya na betwem ko no
don't let's rationalize these things and first of all Pacho is not part of my topics
no, but it's
and so don't digress and come with topics
police I could say
police
yeah. Singing the voice.
Voice is about
Bible singing the voice. So Bible singing the voice. So Bible singing the voice. Ara na mo yefa. O mama yo no yedin.
O be esa. Na bet na start e bobodin. Voice is about Ghana. Even and then the CID director herself. Yeah, tell my nominate pass voice be to about thing.
I
said, I don't want you to take us there.
But to also voice mepon.
But you are insisting that the voice is the man's. After the man's, the voice was tempered with. You are still insisting.
Okay. So one question. Since your
what you are doing is not fair.
Maybe be some question.
Deliberately.
Soccer I'm insisting is his voice.
But I have just done this.
Yes, so can you give me the original to show me I'm wrong and that it was tempered with? Do you have the original?
Chairman, you see, this thing we are doing is
Question.
What is
What's
fair?
the Ghana?
Yeah, the fair.
Voice is now about baby. The mood there no episode before original brother.
Look, at least you must credit Kwame Sefa.
All the voices. Oh, but it's not
He
for
doesn't play voices. He doesn't do voices.
I know.
He does not.
I am not accusing you of playing a voice. And I have not done. Obey you allow me. It's not your turn.
Fred,
My friend is
all the voices now about me women. What next video is I'll be saying
because Obian can't tell me say me insist say it will be voice.
But that's why you're doing this morning.
So,
that's why I've done.
but you say it's doctored.
You have to say, Papa na ye dey asim to me national chairman baba when say, ne voice no omo ni sanka.
You see voice I will tear again the voice. Voice I will tear again the voice.
CID boss voice now tear again the voice.
Oh, you know what's happening.
CID boss voice na again the voice.
CID voice what again the voice.
What can say? The way the manner.
Fred,
police for handle this voice issue. Me now say we are choosing and selecting. Me no can say Obia Kotina radio station be so. And our can voice the way on what is saying penny for we plan to make Kugana man penny or may say Yama basa.
Why?
Some of partners and friend also who's been pan and mention any.
What's why?
Radio station.
Yes, you address it. What's say? Wouldn't be yes, what would be? Wouldn't this what would be?
But you let me leave there. Me na me can say.
Papa now also
NDC will continue to cooperate. State agencies and security.
We cooperate to doctor voices.
But we are only praying, say, they will treat us fairly. Because the parents are almost in so tap out now. Acquire selective. Party for Banku and dealing with them. I did a jam with them. I bedroom baby so friend is me out. What's because on bar?
Okay.
We have to respect our laws and respect our state institutions. But can you say MPP has got on there? Look at your numbers. And this is what our numbers. There is no incision here or party but we don't need to go on that path. All we are calling for is fairness. All we are calling for is objectivity. Chairman, may free honor. I know you are deliberately doing what you are doing, but
I want my phone. Me too.
UCC, your friend say, Winneba. The seminar course on chairman. Me say the same say course for university campus and I have me be free. And chair baby na take the better you nyina ka ho se you can take ho se be free and na free take ya be pie Winneba
yeah
na nenti ha me say university there e ho na kudam fo nyina agu e ho na ye nyina ye prese ye kwakoje adwenkese ne de free o enti se bi ba within a setting like that na yentimi enso ano na a bed degenerate to the extent I could read. Na I didn't be brave. And no share the caliber of persons involved in this issue. Omunya mufraba o. Mpenifa kukuda professor, doctor, this, that. Enti hame. And now when you na kwakosi say, you see, you are closing down the school. You are closing down university. Unim problems ediba. It affects the entire academic calendar. Foreign students say about any account and what? Meanwhile, any national say about just our universities today. They are banking on these foreign students. How no munya ska be dey bobo mo adwuma ye. Enti sanya mei emboa. These are issues one would have thought said penny for better say. I'm told that Minister in charge of Treasury Education also Kobi. Minim ne ekosi ye. MP Kobi. Another MP Kobi. Kasakasa na epie mu ye besre adesua at that level there basa ba ho a e ha o mani nyina na anke kwesi ka asem bia e hu behia o hwe invest na eda ho no enye invest ke kenesa SFO the entire community because we don't know more money efu ho enti market no go to ade te epono betune fia it affects even economic activity within the entire catchment area. That peace must prevail. Me person be konjacha say amanfo bi tinche no mudo musa edi hye
and a man konjacha kro
create some of these things. The university as a council, they have a leadership. They should engage the student leadership and find a solution. that level na share conflict management ka ho nyina it is so market me manage your media and the crime na dey chiro so nko no be from
Kwame, please tell Fred Agbenyo, I've just read from the net this morning about a man called Seth Day, very instrumental in the establishment of Blue Sky. When he was asked why he's not in politics, his answer was simple. Quote, I can't say blue is red when I know it's blue. Phillips from Takrade. Musa Abatwa in Kumasi says, Chairman General, the fact that it's his voice doesn't mean that the tape has not been doctored. Tell Kweku Bakwe if he fails to appear on Kokroko tomorrow, we'll hit the streets and petition the coffee shop mafia. The fact that his champion, okay, I see what you mean. And then let's see, 1 2 1 2. Tell Agbenyo to stop talking about leaked video because it's doctored. Niakwe in Pram Pram. Agbenyo Rinianko.
It's chairman mestre say in 24 entina sententem na omonhwe sa issue no. Mediba ni we about Sky anya $40 million as say the share education me. And pass say here sika bebre at that level ko hwe na ekoso school smart chairman ha adwin bebre. Na honorable deputy minister can say be an pay I mean na anya adwin. Classes na anke kwezi ken wan asem no. Enye say normal school akọ ayama kwan akola be fie. Ana ofo say me pay extra tuition the amakola need me engage the service of an teacher. In this case, you need normal times mu. Abana introducing a new policy be of no track system. Nu ti akola aka amakwan in December be the next mass. And constant go school after 2 weeks. Abet na fie for almost 3 months. For himself to be managing fie sir. And he is compelled to go and engage the sense of other teachers to help the child. How much as canon. And so because you answer a piano and answer a volleyball, and you know class as some neka. A banner is not just to say track system on the about double track and not the banner. And how do you be? And no to say, Yame boy by September. I buy idea to say a hard uni. Of course, my dear, too. Yet, Minister Rebecca, I say, I'm going to mobile to make me free by September. Talk to teachers, all of them are complaining. The students are complaining, everybody knows it. But I question and say, no, man, it's my Gasachama, send me back. You to be a becabi. And to be also a dino be ashe. Ben United to say, I dare no and what? Baby, a dear corner. Ain't could see papa my
double track.
And I sit home. So ask can one say me. I can only pray hope say, a bay Juma and Tia de ba. Now, faso na yehwe nim said be banso no. Na ye santimi aka. Me wie ni sa chairman.
Now sorry so area.
Na me de sorry so no. Ye besre say me kai chairman. And the 7 days Thursday no nyina boy omode. Na ye mbra na mbeboa na bibia nkoso kama. Na edwuma da enimu ayebeye bibia obefa bia ye say a nya Ghana for kan say gem. Yere home na bra na beje o man no nti for bebia e wo bia kakra bia obetime de aboa bia ye nyina sori waka se aye dwuma de na be disappoint Ghana man ni so na ye dwuma de na preach to me 2020 and that's it.
Frederick Agbenyo and I'm attending Kano box ayabo hu tracing.
What you for? The. Yeah. What you for? The. Yeah. What you for? The.
In the next 10 minutes, it will be 11.
If I say me miss the chances, Francis when she me home.
Obey Pemi.
Manchis ready.
Obey Pemi. Miss me dono. And so I be a beshay and temu Michael Giorgi Bugatti Voice Ayabe Inishi Abna Starbucks Ernest Kumi, and Akwesi Free Famensa. Abna Nebru, Michael Jojoji,
Atajuna ya beswa me de kochini get it mo kono go na me di meto me ko fa me masa get ni chesini me mbi di shebro na madwan wan tipa trucks na me na di we pion cry kamanim campaign boy taka be di me boto ma go enjoy hey me da case me ko one day Maserati never make strategy ya emfa he said me swat no be tough said I keep the body no when you busy body me di go na me chichi wani one day me teacher man no on you medi order me the car no be mount man how who me the Kia no be found.
Any shins ya be mumuda. Yes, shouting out to you, Mr. Kofi Babson, Anoma Kofi. Good to see you on the side there somewhere. Long time no see. Have a beautiful day. Anoma Kofi. I can hear you say at yahoo.co.uk. Big up, bro. Shouting out to you, Mr. Richard Enim of Kalichi Presby. Happy birthday to you. The news is on at 12. Kofi Kumbilson is next on your radio. Thank you very much for joining us by air, voice, and text. My guest this morning, Eugene Boachienchi, MP Subing, Deputy Minister Works and Housing, Fred Agbanyon of the NDC Communications Directorate, Kwesi Pratt, journalist, Kofi Ejekum, University professor. May your dreams and hopes come alive. Keep it, that's all you've got. Tomorrow morning, God willing, we'll be back. I wish you well. God bless. Good morning.